Hello everyone, Herb Grover here. I've had an opportunity in the last few weeks to visit the Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge and the Lad Gordon Waterfowl Management Area in New Mexico and take, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of pictures of sandhill cranes and snow geese and other waterfowl. And I'll be developing videos about these over the next few weeks, but I'd like to give you kind of a introduction, kind of a trailer to what some of those videos are going to be about. So that's what this week's video is going to do, just introduce you to this phenomenon that's so beautiful and so wonderful to watch. So I hope you enjoy it, and in the coming weeks I'll be giving you more details about the Bosque del Apache and Lad Gordon, about snow geese and sandhill cranes, and some of the other waterfowl that we see there. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh, and by the way, you know the drill. It would be really great if you'd like and subscribe and click the little bell so that you would get notifications about future videos. We'll be seeing you.